as you guys can see in the title, this video is called How to Know If Living Overseas is for You. Will you be happier overseas? Will you enjoy life more overseas? And here's the answer to that question. You do not know, and you will not know unless you try. You have to be willing to step out of the box, step out of the comfort zone, step out of what you're used to, because the world, it's a big world, right? And if you limit yourself, right, if you limit yourself to just one environment, you almost become brainwashed, because you can only see things and see life through a limited perspective. But once you start exploring the world, seeing how other people live, seeing how other cultures live, just seeing a different landscape of things, your mind opens up, right? Like, I want to be honest. When I live in the US, I kind of got this mentality of like hustle, 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 grind, 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 grind. And ever since I've been living overseas, I don't have that mindset anymore, to be honest. Like, I just don't have it here. Do I still work? Am I still productive? Yeah, but not near. I'm not grinding as much as I was in the US. Like, I'm just enjoying life, right? And that's important, because life isn't just about grinding, getting money and all these different things. Cool, it's important and whatnot, but I think so many people get so caught up in the grind, they forget to actually enjoy life. Just step outside, enjoy the sunlight, you know what I'm saying? Just go for a walk, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoy some fresh air. But I didn't know if this overseas thing was for me or not until I got out here. And I would have never known if it was for me unless I actually came out here, because there's not a video you can watch that can give you the answer for you, right? You can watch 100 videos on YouTube and you will not know if living overseas is for you or not. No one can confirm that, because we're all individuals. We're all unique individuals. None of us are the same. We might have similar characteristics, similar mindsets, but none of us are the same. None of us have experienced the exact same things or seen the exact same things as anybody else on this planet. But even Thailand, right? You can see all my videos and everybody else's videos and think, wow, Thailand is amazing, which I personally think Thailand is great. But you might not come here and have the same experience that I've had. I had one person DM me that seen like my videos and others, and he came here, he was like, man, like, I've been experiencing kind of like racism or being treated a weird way, but not by Thai people, by foreigners that live here, like from different countries. I'm not gonna point any one race or group of people out, but I was like, well, I've never experienced that, but I can't invalidate your experience. If that's what you experience, that's what you experience, right? So I've been here for 8 months, and I haven't had really any negative experiences. Not significant enough for me to recall, because if you ask me like, oh, what's something negative you experienced while you're here? I can't tell you one, and that's just me being honest. If there was a negative experience strong enough to alter my opinion about Thailand, I would tell you guys, I would let you guys know. I'm not on here to be fake and sell you guys a dream. So like, once again, we're all different. This whole digital nomad expat thing is not for everybody. It's really not for everybody. What's happened now in life is everybody's looking at everybody else saying like, oh man, I want their life. Everyone thinks the grass is greener on the other side, when in reality it's not. Once again, back to my point of us all being unique individuals with all different circumstances. Being overseas isn't some perfect world, isn't some perfect thing, right? There are things that come with it. You're gonna sacrifice things in life. By me being overseas, I'm sacrificing being around my family and my close friends. I don't have that anymore. So I'm giving up something in exchange to experience something new, something different. And it's all just a test. I don't want anyone to ever come online and think that I've got life figured out, or like, oh, I'm just living my best life. No, what I'm doing is, especially while I'm young, based on my life's philosophy, is I'm just experimenting. I'm getting to know myself better. And so I have to put myself in different circumstances and different environments to see like who I truly am, what vibes with me the most, like what truly resonates with me. And I think that's the best thing that anybody can do for themselves, is get to know you as best as you can. And any other person that exists on this planet should only be a reference point for you. They can't be your exact model you want to be, because here's the thing, once again, you should always want what is best for you. But as for me, while I'm young, I'm going to take risks. I'm going to get outside my comfort zone. I'm going to try to do as much as I can, because at the end of the day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. So the whole idea of a bucket list and me like doing stuff like this when I'm older, that doesn't resonate with me, because I'm like, who says I'm guaranteed to see 60? Who says I'm guaranteed to see 30? I'm 20, like nothing is guaranteed. I've personally known people who've lost their life at 16 years old. But me being alive at 26 is nothing less than a blessing, you know, and I'm grateful for that. But right now, if you're chasing like peace, fulfillment, happiness, I can tell you this, it's not a physical destination. I don't think that it is found in a physical destination, because I believe that anyone who finds it internally first can have peace and happiness and fulfillment in any location, and that those attributes should follow you around wherever you go. It's not one specific place, you know. It's not Thailand, it's not Bali, it's not the Philippines, it's not the US, it's not London, because like I said, everyone is thinking that the grass is greener on the other side. Like I'm from the US, so everyone in the US wants to like visit Paris and London, and I meet people from London like, oh my gosh, I want to get out of here, I want to go somewhere else. Then you meet people in this place and they're trying to go that place. You know, you meet people in North Carolina, they're trying to go to Florida. You meet people in Florida, they're trying to go to New York. People in New York, they're trying to go to, everyone is like, oh, I want what the other person has. I want to be in that other destination. They think that it's going to mean that life is automatically going to get better. Does it sometimes work out that way, to where changing your location, life improves for you? Sure, why not? But the bottom line is, guys, to know if this life and to know if an expat life or overseas is for you, there's only one way to figure that out. And that's one, actually experiencing it for yourself. That's it. Like, I could have made this video 3 seconds long and say, the only way to know that is to experience it for yourself. Because I can't tell you who you are. I don't know what fulfills you. I don't know what makes you happy. I don't know what is fun for you. I don't know any of these things. And so we have to be very, very mindful when we are seeking the opinions and insight from other people for our own lives, because once again, we're seeking it for our own lives, and no one else knows you but you. You know? So if you ask somebody for advice, and if you ask them questions about, okay, wow, do you like it here? Is it good there? Is it safe there? Is it, are you happy? Whatever. I might say yes, I might say no, but that does not mean it's going to be the same for you. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate everyone who tunes into my videos. Let me know what you guys enjoy. Do you guys enjoy when I just talk? Do you guys enjoy my vlogs? Do you enjoy both? You like, hey, put out both types of videos? Because a lot of times, like, I'll be overthinking, like, should I put this video out? A lot of times I'll like be looking at my videos like, this sucks, like no one's gonna want to watch this, and then people will watch them like, oh, this was a good video, and I'll be like, that's weird, because in my mind, like, this wasn't good at all. So let me know, give me feedback, I appreciate it. And I'm also thinking to add a podcast kind of aspect to my new brand. I'm trying to take off the ground of like Remote Tribe Academy, with helping those who want to become expats or digital nomads. I want to create a podcast and possibly interview like other expats and whatnot, and they can tell their stories and their insight and whatnot, so you guys can see if there's people you relate to and just get different stories. And yeah, that's it, guys. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video and whatever location I'm in next. Peace out.